All right, hi guys. Mike Volkin here. Many of you have asked for my recent videos, like what's this in the background? This is a painting I had commissioned of myself. I know it sounds egotistical, but it's really a conversation starter because I'm in Zoom background. I'm in Zoom all day long, and the background's kind of boring, just having a plain wall. So I commissioned a painting of myself taking the bull by the horns. It's kind of cheese, but everybody always asks, "Hey, what's that painting back there?" And then you can tell them, and if you want to do this for yourself, and it just it sets the conversation off on the right foot, and it's kind of hilarious in my opinion. But let's go ahead and get started on the main topic today. First of all, let me introduce our sponsor. But before I do that, let me reduce this. All right, our sponsor today is Cover.ai. You can do a lot of cool stuff at Cover if you're an independent freelancer. Paid time off, sick leave, 24/7 health insurance, legal assistance, all that great stuff that comes with big corporate benefits that you don't get working by yourself as a consultant or a freelancer. So go ahead and check them out. There's a link in this video description below. By the way, subscribe to our channel. Freelancer Masterclass always has videos that come out every week or maybe 10 days or so. And your feedback, your comments, your likes are what keep this channel going with some more videos. So please go ahead and subscribe, and also go to cover.ai and check them out. Today's video is on how to communicate well on Upwork. There is a nasty, I don't want to call it a bug, but there's a nasty way that people communicate on Upwork that I really don't like. It's a pet peeve of mine. It's that whenever you send a message, like let's just say, "Hi, this is a message," and then you click send, it will send a different message for every single time you hit enter. So if I hit enter here, this is another message. The recipient of that message will get another email. So sometimes I get people who will write, "Hi," and then they'll hit enter. "How are you?" "I'm doing great. Did you want to meet on Friday?" Like, that's 5 separate emails that your client now has to clear from the inbox, and I'm constantly telling people how to fix this. So let me show you. Please adopt this because it helps you manage up with your client. And if you don't know what managing up is, go ahead and take Freelancer Masterclass course at Freelancer Masterclass. It'll tell you, managing up alone will show you how to keep clients longer just by communicating more efficiently. But Masterclass as a whole will tell you how to become a 6-figure freelancer in 90 days or less. Okay, let me show you how to communicate well on Upwork. First of all, go to any message box and hit this gear icon here, okay? When you do that, there's going to be an option here. It says pressing the enter key will, and then you have 2 options, send a message or add a line break. By default, Upwork has send a message. That's why every time when you hit enter, it's going to fire off a new message, which is super annoying. That means you can't ever hit the enter button. Everything has to be like a one long paragraph, which is not the way people read information and not the way people want to receive information. So go ahead and select add a line break. Okay, now you can type all you want. I can even hit enter. And now all I have to do is hit send. Now the client, instead of getting 3 separate emails in this situation, will get 1 email separated out nicely into 3 different lines. Okay, so I hope that helps make communication more efficient for you on Upwork. Be sure to check out Cover.